So we're just working out the total volume first. Good job. You may remember the volume is the area of the base times the height. Okay? We know the volume of a cone. Hopefully you remember there's a special fraction at the front. And then we have the area of the base, which is the circle. Hopefully you guys all remember the circle rule for area. And then times the height. Okay, so this is going to give us the volume of the cone. So the radius is 3 and the height is 14 pi. The reason I'm doing that is because that's an exact value. And I'm going to do some more converting, so I need to have the exact value, as in I don't want to round just yet. So remember last time I said don't round until the very end. The volume of the ice cream is half the volume of the cone. Alright, so half 42 in your head. Everyone remember, half of 42 is 21. So we've got 21 pi. It's a bit of a tricky one. So we know the volume is 21 pi. Yep, so put it into the volume formula. Okay. Now what do we... because the reason we're putting the 21 here is because this is the volume of the ice cream. So we're using this number to figure out the height. So we can start to rearrange. Some people have said this. So the pi's cancel out. So 21 times 3 is 63. R squared H. This bit. Now this question's quite tricky. If you look at a section of the cone, there's actually a right angle triangle. So the radius is 3 and the height is 14. Now we know there's another right angle triangle, but we don't know the depth or the height. We know this is half the volume of this other right angle, or the right angle in that volume. We also don't know this other radius. A ratio happening here. So if you go h over the bigger height, 14, equal to the radius divided by the bigger radius, you have a relationship, and this works because they are similar right angle triangles. That's the reason it works. So then you can rearrange this and then put one of these into here. So because we're finding h, we're going to get r by itself. So h, you bring the 3 over and you get r by itself. Substitute in. So now we have it only in terms of h, okay? Because I substituted in where r was. And now I rearrange, so h is by itself, so you get the final answer of 11.11 to 2 decimal places. So that was quite a complex question. Anyway, that's it for today. I hope that was useful.